In 70 years, the Department of Defense 53rd Weather Reconnaissance Squadron is the only one still flying into the heart of tropical cyclones.
Of course, you probably know them better as the hurricane hunters, and their job is vital in putting out accurate forecasts during hurricane season. I had the chance to speak with Hurricane Hunters weather officer Captain Garrett Black about his unique job.
225 set for now. When you're ready for the ladle, plug it in.
The Hurricane Hunters are based at Keesler Air Force Base in Biloxi, Mississippi. Each crew is made of 2 pilots, a navigator, an aerial reconnaissance weather officer, and a load master or drop-on systems operator.
So as the weather officer, we act as the mission director on board the WC-130J. So our biggest piece is collecting the data from the aircraft sensors and then releasing information, making sure that data is as accurate as possible.
The weather officer bridges the gap between the crew flying into the storm and the National Hurricane Center.
We're quality checking it, and then we're sending it to the National Hurricane Center so they can use that as a different piece for their forecasting puzzle to get the most accurate information to the world. It's very important to understand not only the strength and intensity of the storm, but we're able to fly in the different quadrants of the storm to see how far out the winds go, whether it's tropical storm or hurricane, and that affects storm surge, which is obviously one of the biggest threats to the public.
Captain Black says while the job is always tough, some storms are more difficult to deal with than others.
Most challenging missions are typically weaker storms, and oftentimes they're not even classified as storms yet. So it may be, some clouds and showers over the middle of the Atlantic that really no one's paying attention to at that time.
But this year, the hurricane hunters are facing a new challenge: COVID-19.
We're standing by. We're doing what we can to stay trained and stay proficient to make sure our instruments are still calibrated. So, we're obviously listening to the CDC and doing what measures we can to be safe and healthy for ourselves and our family and the community. But we also have to be mission ready.
And preparation is the way for all of us to be ready.
Make sure that you're being safe and following CDC guidelines, but also having an understanding that hurricane season is not going to stop, just because of, unfortunately, a lot of other things haven't stopped. So I think that's something to keep in mind, that we need to be prepared for both and take actions for both.